Right, here we go. Two up on the Spyder. On the Spyder rider. Up, I'm in the bum. Pardon me. So it seems to be a very windy day today on the Spyder. We've got gusts of wind. And here we are heading towards Retford. I've got my darling wife on the back. We're supposed to be going for breakfast. We'll see what happens on here. Okay, we are moving on. We're heading towards Sherwood Forest to see Robin Hood. We're going to see Robin, see what he has to say about his scent. I love that automatic downwards. There's up an indicator here. Yeah, so we're going for breakfast now. We're going to the, I can't remember what it's called, Daffodil Grooves or something like that. We'll go around this corner here. I'm going to make a sharp right just here, I believe, at Eaton's. Around the maypole, can you see the maypole there? Look, that's the maypole, look. Round and round the maypole. So here we are looking for the Daffodil Tea Rooms. I hope it's open. Last time we come at bloody shut. We seem to get that a lot. Just a left and a right here, as I remember now. I think it was that one there. I think it's that one there. So right. Is it all cotton? Is it up then? It should be. Did you just nip off and have a look? Okay, we are 1 mile off the next stop cafe, what we're going to try on this very, very windy, spidery, ridery day. Here we are into Kneeshall, a place called Kneeshall, not Kneeshall, Mother Brown. There we go, just round here now. Just round here somewhere. On the left up here. Do you want to go and get it too, then? And I'll go and park up. Hey?
No, I'll get off together.
Perfect. Are they giving something away here today or something?
I don't really know.
I said, are they giving something away today? So here we are on the Spyder, just had breakfast or lunch or brunch or whatever they call it. Here we are, look at the Spyder. What do you think to the Spyder then?
Brilliant.
Let's say a few words. She can't show us her face, look, she's there.
Very nice.
Very nice. Very nice, that's En's helmet, look. Exotech, whatever it is. Look, I cleaned the Spyder by the way. Well,
This helmet's brilliant.
you like the helmet, do you?
Very much so.
Good. That was the hay barn anyway, so we're going this way now. This is a terrible turn to come out of both sides. Oh, probably can with the Spyder. Head out. cable had come out, so if I haven't got any audio, that's why. Can you say hello, Hen, on the back? So yeah, it's not a bad day, it's a bit windy, but we're heading off home now. As usual, moaning bastard me is in so much pain. Anyway, here we go. We're at a little village called Budby. There's a little pink house there, look. We're heading for our usual place now, a workshop. Very workshop. I thought I got my heated seat on, my bum feels warm, I don't know why. I pass into workshop. Still getting used to the Spyder. There's a Luddite changes down, here we go, look, watch. Just start pressing brake now for these lights. Boom. 5th, 4th, 3rd, 2nd, and finally 1st. Go. Alright then. Hey? And here we are, lovely, lovely workshop. A beautiful British road with nice and bouncy bumps and potholes, as many as you'd like. Beautiful, beautiful roads we've got here. Look at this, it's lovely. Well, the missus says she's very happy on the back. She's got her heated seat on and her heated grips on, so she's happy. So there you go then. Are you okay on the back? We're just getting used to this Spyder thing. I don't know. I just feel for 34 grand of Wannaroos it ought to just, I don't know, gear a bit more something. I don't know what it is. I don't know what I'm lacking. Maybe it ought to gear a massage like my Volvo does while you're driving. On your back, up and down your back. That'd be cool, wouldn't it? How could you do that? Well, I don't know. Maybe it ought to offer you a shot of tequila or something like that. Or Patron. Who knows? It's all good fun. It's good to take misses out here. So we're in a 30 here, so I better just watch it here. And here we are, coming into Blythe. I'd have gone further if my leg weren't bloody hurting. My bloody leg, I don't know. Keep moaning on about it. Sorry to moan on about it, but it doesn't my head in. Or doesn't my leg in. Yeah. Well, yeah, I'm getting quite into the Spyder now, actually. You say you do. I think if my leg were better, I don't think we'd have a problem. The old church there, look, 1066 that church was built. Old Moy remembers it well. Old Major Mo. Young man on this train. Morning. Why did I miss the time to get up to Road Street? Only 40, we're only doing 30. This weiß nicht.